All right. So this one is my favorite too. All right. It's all about the grades. Let's discuss this scenario. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
All right. So your parents check your homework every night and your grades have been going up and down. You know you will get grounded if they are too low, but they aren't yet. Still, you know a lecture is coming. How might you respond to them so that you don't end up grounded for talking back to them?
Yes. So let's see how how might your approach to this problem backfire? So, negative, not a negative, but typical answer that a teen might give that is combative might be, before you give me a lecture, I know that my grades aren't what you want them to be. If I'm being honest, I really think my teachers hate me and don't want to see me do well. And with all the stress of everyone on my case, I don't know how I can do well. I just need everyone to leave me alone and accept that with these teachers that my grades are going to be like this.
Okay.
So yeah, obviously, obviously that this is an answer that's not going to work. Anger and confrontation rarely convince, anyone to see the other person's side, and also blaming others is a sure way to make people believe that you don't care about your grades. It also shows a little bit of irresponsibility, and typically you don't want to seem irresponsible, because if you respect or if you care about your independence, you want to be seen as responsible, so that you're given more and more independence in your daily activities. So yeah, let's listen to another approach that involves accountability and a request for help when struggling. So this is what a responsible answer would be like. I'm passing, and sometimes I have had good grades. I'd like to ask you to trust me and give me 2 more weeks to get on the right track. I know that this is asking for a lot of trust, but I can do this. I have already reached out to my teachers for help, and I have made extra time to study. I promise to continue to work to raise my grades and to take responsibility for how I've been doing in my classes. I know that you are disappointed, and I hope that you have suggestions that may help me.
All right. Yeah. Yeah. That's a good answer. Here is the request for help, accountability, and convincing desire to do better and to do the required work to make that happen. It is a sign of maturity and accountability to ask for help. This will likely earn the trust of the adults and get you the help that you need. That's true, right?
Agreed. Yes.